Hello guys, my name is Shita Vesania. Today our topic is Reach for the Top. Reach for the Top is a biographical story that tells us about the lives of two great women, Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova. It celebrates the achievements of these two strong ladies who achieve success despite hardship. One thing common between these two was that they defied all odds to pursue their passion and succeed it in it. Through Reach for the Top, summer students will learn how hard work and determination can help you go a long way. Moreover, it also shows us that in order to achieve immense success, we require determination, training, and sacrifice as well. It shows us that the path of success is not easy, but the results are surely sweet and satisfying. Thus, this chapter serves as an inspiration for anyone looking to find some motivation to pursue their dreams and walk the path of success. Reach of the Top divides into two parts, where each part tells us about Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova respectively. The first part begins with Santosh. This story was right when Santosh was the only woman in the world the have clay the Mount Everest twist. It begins by telling that she was born in a society that considered girls to be a curse. We learn that Haryana is her birthday place and she defies the societal norms to own herself. She suffered gender discrimination from an early age and then decided she would crave her own way. She went to get admission to Delhi and funded her education all by herself by working part-time job. After that, she went to stay in a hostel in Jaipur, where life changed for her. She joined mountaineer in an expedition and there was no looking back then. She worked hard for it and looked up professional course where she excelled. Then in 1992 she climbed Mount Everest just at the age of 20. She became the youngest woman to do so and even saved a fellow climber by sharing her oxygen. She made India proud by creating history and was awarded the Padma Shri Award by the government of India. After that, we have part 2, which focuses on the famous tennis player Maria Sharapova. We learn about her journey to become the number one women's tennis. She became a top tennis player through hard labor, rigorous training, and lots of sacrifices. The inside story of her life shows that she started at an early age to become to top tennis players. She belongs to Siberia, Russia, and left her home and at the age of 9. The began training for her dream. She had to separate from her mother at just 9 years old and moved to Florida with her father. Her father worked hard to fund her training and even suffered bullying from being a foreigner. When learn about her hobbies of dancing, singing, and fashion, finally we learn that she believes while money does play a big part, she always aimed to become number one. Okay, thank you. Hello guys, my name is Shita Besania. Today our topic is packing. Packing is a story about 3 friends who are getting ready to go for a journey. Thus, packing summary will help students understand this story in a simplified form. It follows the packing session of 3 friends, Jerome, Harrius, and George. Thus, it begins with them starting the most important things of a journey, packing. This story is an extract taken from 3 Men in a Boat by Jerome. Jerome. In her, Jerome is the narrator himself and writes about the experience he has while his friends decide to start packing. Further, it taken us on a hilarious read about 3 adults who struggle to do a basic thing as packing. Packing summary will taken you through the nuisance, then experience, and addition to the dog. Montmorency's contribution. Similarly, it also shows how his other 2 friends are not that great when it comes to packing. As Jerome, Harris, and George are ready to set out on a journey, they start packing for it. Being that narrator, Jerome describes how the packing experience went. We can see that Jerome is quite confident with his packing skills as he handles it all alone. Well, in reality, he wishes to simply supervise the packing session while making his friends do the work under him. However, they listen to him and let him handle it all by himself while they sit and relax. This does not impress Jerome. Nonetheless, he gets to it. Finally, after a long packing session, he packs to back up while his friends watch him quietly do all the work. Soon, Harris tells him about the shoes that he didn't pack, and Jerome will have to reopen the bag to make space for them. Thus, after learning about the shoes, Jerome remembers his toothbrush, which he did not pack. In order to find it, he empties the wall just for one toothbrush. Else he finds two inside a boot and packs to bag again. After that, we see that one more query arises for the soup by George. Consequently, this irritated Jerome so much that he doesn't pay heed to it and pack the bag anyway. However, to his mistake, he is to reopen it again due to his spectacles being looked inside the bag. This packing session finally concludes at 10 o'clock. So we see that after taking such a long time a pack, Jerome's other two friends packed the hampers themselves to show him how it's actually done. However, they are also similarly groggy and break many things, including a cup, into pieces. Further, they squashes tomatoes and tread on butter while also smash the piece. In addition, there is salt flying here and there during this process. Thus, after much toss, they try to put things back in order. However, is it not as successful? However, it isn't as successful as their pet dog. Montmorency worsens things. He sits on things meant to be packed and climbs into the jam as well as crushes lemons as if they were rats. But finally, the final packing ends and around 12:50 into night. After a training packing session, they decide the pack to get up for the next morning and George dozes off before engaging in this conversation. In the end, Jerome and Harris mark 6:30 as the wake up time and go off asleep. Okay, thank you.